Good morning, people. Oh, I had an unboxing, CGC unboxing that I shot last night that I will load sometime in the future. Good morning, people. Oh, I'm exhausted. Um, did not have a good night's sleep last night. I woke up this morning at 2:30 with a terrible. Well, I wouldn't say terrible. There was like pain in my stomach. Don't know what it was, but it was so annoying. I drank some Pepto Bismol. I couldn't sleep from like 2:30 to God knows when, and I did fall back to sleep a little bit here and there. But the good news is the pain is gone, so I'm fine. But man, I felt like going back to bed right now. To be honest, okay, I was ready. If the stock market was not open today, I would crawl back into bed and close the blind and go to sleep for a couple hours. My son did that. I think he's going through. He's gonna be 15 in 3 weeks. So he's going through puberty, growth spurt. Yesterday he got home from school, crash, sleep. I woke him up for dinner. After dinner, checked his homework to make sure that he has nothing that he missed, and went back to bed and slept all the way to 6 a.m. this morning. So, unlike me, he had a fantastic night sleeping. Oh, ridiculous. But yeah, so I'm exhausted. All right. So if my energy level is low, you know why? Because I basically had about 3 hours of sleep yesterday and this morning. Looked like my small little bet in Chinese stock yesterday is gonna take a little dump. Thankfully, I bought small. Thankfully, ah, just my luck, right? I have had very little luck with Chinese exposure stock the last couple of years, so that's why I bought so. I bought more into it. I bought more. Um, what was it that I bought that other people didn't buy? I bought more into it. I bought more. Let me go into my see. My brain's not functioning today. Brain is shut off. What did I buy yesterday? That I just about everything I bought yesterday. I bought more than K Web. So K Web would do crappy today, just like Baba. But thankfully, I bought more. Well, I bought um, LH. I bought a little K Web, a little Baba. I bought Home Depot. I sold Skyworks. I sold Avago. I sold all the booking I bought lower. I bought Okta. I bought, what else did I buy? Hmm. I thought I bought something that, let's see. I bought so much. Shop. Okta, shop. Mondelez as well. All kind of stuff. Goodness gracious. I got dividend from, what was that? Nvidia, a few bucks, since I didn't own that many shares. Indeed. So good morning, Doc Ali, Jason, Taki, Rob, Hobby, Life, David Jackson. Yep. What? Okay, so let's take a look at things. I have my E-Trade open here to make sure I put in some order. Okay, so Starbucks, that should be okay. All right. Look like there's gonna be some bump. Look like Facebook is bumping. For the Facebook owner like I am, looking good. Okay, this nice move here, the 20 MA curling. We are over the 20 MA. You know where we are heading. We are heading the target right there. Okay, 50 MA. Keep your eyes on that 50 MA. If we can break that 50 MA, say in a week or two, that's a lot of asking, right? Because in 2 weeks, the 50 MA is gonna drop down to like 230 level. Okay, which is more likely where this will head around 230 if we keep on drifting higher. And then if you can break that, you know where we're gonna go next, right here. Okay, at 245, 246, the spot where it gapped down. And you know after that it's gonna be 100 MA, M gap. We're a long way. I don't expect us to close this gap for this year. Yeah, that's how realistic I am. But would I keep adding to Facebook on red day? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Um, let's go through the fangs. We're just talking about Facebook. Amazon, yesterday, a little dump. Now, where would I buy Amazon? Down here, okay. Would I nibble Amazon at 3,040? Yes. The 20 MA is coming up to the same area. If you want to dip your toe in Amazon, that might be the spot, okay. I have no Amazon exposure right now. Google, I thought about buying back what I sold yesterday. I had my order right here. I thought about moving that order up. I did not, so it is what it is. Okay, so I did have an order to buy a few shares of Google right here at 27.45. That did not happen. So not much to do. I still have 11 shares of Google, so it's not like don't have a good exposure there. I had the most I ever had was 13 shares of Google, so I sold 2, still have 11. I'm fine there. The one that I talk about once in a while, Twitter. Okay. I add a little bit on this day right here. Let it go. Remember, I mentioned 41 is a first spot to take some profit. So I'm liking Twitter. Let me go to the chat here. BTC, yes. It's showing live. Yeah, key point coming up here. Key point. 45.7. Can it break it? If it can, wow. Wow. It's our day here. It's a long pain here. Look at this thing. 3-year chart. Big consolidation. Big consolidation. But if we can break this, oh boy. Oh boy. Would I put in some trading position if we break this? Yes. Okay, yes. But it need to break it for me to put in the trading position there. Okay, how about Ethereum? Ethereum is at a sell point, as the big guy would say. Yeah, not much to say. The big guy say trim profit. If you bought Ethereum here for a trade, he said it's time to take profit. He's not saying sell all, okay? He just said that it's time to take profit. if you don't want to take profit, is I'm not selling any of my Ethereum. What would I do? I wait for it to clear this and then put my stop there, right? Or at least put an alert there, so if it go back to this, then maybe I will take some profit. But a nice run here on Ethereum over the past 2 weeks, right? 2,500 to 3,000, 3,200, yeah, 20% plus gain. I should talk more about trading Ethereum. It's a good trading thing, okay? Okay, let's see what else. What was it I bought? I completely draw a blank on what I bought. I bought too many things. I just didn't care to go and look. All right, Tesla seemed like it's doing okay. No need to talk about that, right? Apple, very bullish move here on Apple. Very bullish move here on Apple, okay? Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Decent volume too, okay? This is not, I mean, it's not great volume, but above average. Above average. And look at this thing. 8 days. 8 days. That's impressive, okay? Usually, the big guy would say, this is it. All right, you're not going to see 8 green days in a row often, right? You go back and look. Look at this thing. When's the last time Apple have 8 green days in a row? Not in a long, long time, okay? Not in a long, long time. Right here. The last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 green days, okay? So yeah, what's going on with Apple right here is nothing short of impressive. So what's next? The big guys say 180. Okay, the big guys say 180. Trim time, 180. I used to trade a couple of wheat stock and I get crushed on those. So yeah, not touching them. But good luck if for those that willing to gamble there. Good luck. Okay, good luck. I'm gun shy from wheat stock. Booking looking good. Microsoft, another one looking good. Okay, looking very good here. Microsoft. 305. I would not sell at 305. But what I would do is I will watch for 305. If it crossed 305 and go higher, I will put a stop at 305. Okay. I want 314. I want 314, 315. Walmart. That was a spot. Remember, I turned no longer bearish on Walmart 2 days ago. Good spot. I like Target more, right? I talk about Target. Yeah, Target down here. Yes, yes, yes. Would I buy? I had an order in yesterday, but it did not trigger. A little bit. I missed it by a few cents. Yeah, but I like Target here. Okay, I like Target here. DDSS, DDS, Dilliard. If you want to trade Dilliards, it might be worth trading here. Okay, it's above all the MA. You don't see that many retailer, big box retailer above all the MA, right? If you want to throw in a trading position here, right at the bounce here, 266, 267, can you get it to 300? There's a 10% move here, okay? For those that want to throw their heads in there. Costco. Costco. I have a little Costco. What would I do? Sell here. I have an alert. Let's put in an alert. Create alert. At or above. Sell, sell, sell. Okay. But yeah, Costco. Any spike up there. In fact, I'm gonna do that right now as I'm speaking. Not gonna miss out. I don't want to talk about it and then forgot to do it. Talk about it, place the order. The 8 plan. Anticipate, plan, execute. Can't just anticipate and not plan and execute. It's pointless to have the A without the P or the E. Costco. There we go. I don't have a lot, but doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if you have 1 share, 5 share, or 10 share. Sell. Up here. 5.6. I'm gonna put an order in at 5.67. Okay, just in case it get there. Or should I do 5.67? I'm good with that. I don't need all-time high. Okay, I might change it, but for now I'm good with 5.67. All right, so that's one in. The one that we talked about yesterday, Octa. Look like we have a little red today, but I like my Octa. Look at this thing. It went almost down to the 133, right? Yeah, I love the big guy, like the channel trade a lot. He's always a big fan of sell the high, buy the low, okay? Doesn't matter if the trend is down or up. Buy at the low, the risk reward is there. Remember CMI? Same thing. Look at CMI, okay? Risk reward, no brainer. Right now, CMI, let it run. Where would I sell? Right here, 214. In fact, let's put in the order. I don't have a lot of CMI either, but doesn't matter. Put the order in. Yep. It's in already, so good. I'm all set there. All right. Especially when you see this, it might not get there. What I would do is I have my order up there, but if this thing not holding, I would change it and take it out because I would buy it back at 201. Okay, CMI, I'll buy it back. CSX, rail is strong. Where would I sell? Up here. Okay, yeah, 37. Anything above 37 is a profit taking. We're so close. Okay, see, look at this. It wick up to 37 so many times and give back. Okay, so watch that very closely. Have your stop at 36.34, low up there yesterday. Gotta put it in, lock it in. Okay, in fact, I'm gonna make sure I have the order in right for CSX. Okay, it's there. It's there. I already took some profit on CSX. Okay, so I don't have much left. I took a profit up here on the second day of the week. So let's move on. Airline. JBlue. Me like JBlue. JBlue, it's fine here. All right, nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry. Yeah, nothing to worry there. UAL. Resistant here, okay? So I like Delta more, right? Yesterday I talked about how I like Delta more than UAL. And then save, Spirit. I like Spirit here, okay? So out of the two, out of all of the airline that I like Save and JetBlue the most, okay? Yo, yeah, Okta, give it a couple days. We will be rewarded. In fact, would I add to Okta down here? Depend on the red. If Okta go anywhere down to 139, 140, I would add to Okta, okay? I would add to Okta down here at this 141, okay? I would pepper in orders at yesterday low. Okay, here's my plan. Why not talk? Why do it instead of talk about it? Okta. I had planned to triple down if it got down to 133, right? I talked about that yesterday in the chat group. So what do I do? Here we go. First order in for a little bit, a nibble at 141. 141, okay? That's one order. And then more at 139. Here we go. More. I'm putting in the exact same amount of share for each order, okay? So next order, 137. Same amount of share. And last but not least, the last order, where? 133. 134. Let's do it like the bottom of the channel. 133, okay? So let's say it breached the channel for whatever reason. More dumping, more. Remember, this is a third day. Remember, there's a 3-day rule. I violated yesterday, bought in a day ahead. That's fine. But my last order, the biggest one, equal the same amount of share I bought in the 3 previous orders. So if it dumped down to 133, I'm buying just as much as I did at the 3 previous buy. And that will round out my triple down move, okay? Here we go. 133. So there you go. Order place. It's in. Sink or swim. Think or yeah. Hey, you know, on things like this, you gotta go. PANW, Palo Alto. Not selling, moving my stop up. Well, I'm keeping it here at 600. The big guys say keep it at 600. Okay, why 600? First of all, it's a low of day, and then right here, this little wick right here around 600. Okay, so the big guys just like just keep it there. In fact, I'm gonna draw it in. Palo Alto right there, roughly 599.97, whatever, close enough. Okay, let it run. It seemed like it's at the top of the channel, but you know, because if you look at the channel, right, it's already breaking the channel, okay? Because if you look at a trend, it's trend breaking, which is very bullish. Okay, let's draw a trend line. 559, 54, rich. Yeah, see, It's above trend, okay? Yesterday move was very bullish to the big guy. He liked to see trend break convincingly. Okay, so depending on how high it run, he would recommend put your stop where the trend line is, okay? So let's save that. Because the trend is around 607, okay? So let's say this thing keep piecing up or go sideways a little bit, then I would move my stop to 607, right? Lock in a little bit more from 600 to 607. All right, 5 minutes to the market open. XBI did some beast move. Is there going to be a continuation? Maybe not, maybe, but yeah, XBI is okay here. Battle line here. If we can clear this, 100 is possible. Big Bro is big on that. He has 700 plus shares. Since we're doing XBI, let's do drug. Pfizer. Back to where, if you want to buy back to Pfizer, you could. I see no reason to, right? I sold here. Remember, I sold at 52. I sold right here, okay? On this day right here, on this big wick, okay? I got out at 52.57 or something. This is where I sold, right? It's not a bad spot to buy back, but at the same time, you know, I would love to buy more at the 50 MA down at 51, right? 51 is much more attractive than 52 and a half. AppV still bossing? Yeah, still bossing. Amgen, nothing to do there. Gilead, which I like. Okay, Gilead. Yeah, I have puts. Okay, so I already have puts at, so I have exposure here. Not making money, but would I buy the share outright here? Maybe. Okay, you know me. I like this 20 MA moving down. Okay, and the stock unfortunately tested and failed, but I'll give it a shot again. So if it go red around 50 down here, as long as it's above the trend line, I might give it a shot again, okay, to go long at 59. All right, I think the risk reward favor Gilead at 59. If it can, if the 20 MA come down close enough to 59, which it is sometime next week, we can easy hurdle over and then run to 62. So there is a trade there for Gilead coming up very soon. Z-scale. Nice bounce. It's at that point of time to go though. Okay, for sure, if you have Z-scale, this 50 MA is a sell. Okay, let me show you the channel. 370, 373, 373. The high was 373.74 right there. I'm showing you how to draw channel, okay, and trend. There we go. So here's one, right? Change that. And then duplicate that. Duplicate that, and then what? Drag. Okay? Is that a fair? Does anybody have a problem with that channel? I think that's a decent channel, right? So, up here, please sell, take profit. You don't have to sell everything, but if you're in this long ride of 8 day plus of bliss, gotta go, okay? Gotta go here. 243, 245, that's the area. You gotta sell some, at least half. The big guy, he's always would recommend channel high to sell at least half okay? Half, a quarter, okay? That's how he would do it. So let's save that. Nice looking chart though, but it's time. Time to say bye-bye is near. All right, let's go Lamb Research. Looking good. Nice bounce here for those that bought on this support. Same thing here. A lot of stock. You should watch the 50 MA, okay? Because you know the computers are gonna be selling, right? So if you enjoy the ride, don't overstay. AMAT. AMAT can move. Tough spot here. Okay? But for sure, you gotta get out up here. Qualcomm. Nice move. Where next? 50 MA, 165. If you don't sell there, good luck. Intel. Beast mode. Beast mode. Where? 52. Okay? Your stop should be 49.89. The 50 MA should be your stop. If you enjoy this ride, I have some Intel that I bought at the 46, 47. Don't miss out on taking profit either at 52 or lock it in at 49 or 50. You can have your stop right there. Take the money. Take the gain. All right, let's see. One more. Texas Instrument. Beast mode. Once again, if you don't sell up here at the 200, you're gambling. Look, the 200 was a support for a long time. Okay, long time support here. It's gonna be resistant until proven otherwise. Okay, so if you enjoy this long ride, congratulations, but it's time. AMD. Would I buy AMD at 115, 116? Yes. I would not chase it here. I would be patient, wait for another day when the chips are sell off. You know it's gonna come, right? Anyone that think that they missed the move and they will never be able to buy AMD again at 116, are you crazy? That's comic addicts nonsense. FOMO stupidity. Okay, so just wait. The big guy from the very first day that he started to teach me, he's just like, if a stock move away from where you want to buy it, buy something else. There's always something else to buy. Okay, so to be obsessed of something is stupid. Same thing with comic books. There's too many dudes obsessed with one book, that book, this book. Pff, buy something else. There's always something for cheap. But yes, AMD, I wouldn't touch it here. If you have it, take some profit at 122. Markets open, look like. But for sure, the 100 MA is a sell. Last chip here, MU. MU, I would buy on dip, okay? MU is worth buying on dip here, okay? I was negative on MU up here, no man's land, but ever since it crashed through this point, I have been positive on MU, correct? So yeah, I would buy on dip. Where? I would like it lower, but to me, the risk reward at 77, 76 is worth it. All right. But I'm not going to buy it here. I like to see it below 77. Heck, I would love to buy it at 74. Okay. But keep watching. Mondelez. Looking good. Hey, I have been buying Mondelez all week. All week I've been buying Mondelez, okay? All week. Pepsi, looking good, but you know, If Pepsi anywhere near 166, you gotta sell. Okay. Nice move here. Nice reversal of the nonsense sell-off, Russia, sanction, blah, blah, blah. F you. Okay? This is why you buy quality. Okay? You're talking 3-4% revenue to Russia. Who cares? F you. That's a big F you to all the fear mongering. F you. Let's see. Let's see what's going on with the market. Amazon's up. Oh, my first Octa trade just went through 141. Booking up 14, CMG up 8, Google up 5, Facebook up 2.5, 3. Yeah, that's all right. That's all right. Mondelez up a little bit. Let's see what's down. Baba, yeah. Sharp, 695. Oh, there was Shopify that I bought at 680 something. Nvidia down 2, Airbnb, KWeb, yeah. Tesla down, Baba down, Into down a little bit, Cake down a little bit, Silver, Netflix down a little bit, Foot Locker keeps sliding. Let's take a look at Nike. Nike, yeah. All right. 132, eh. There's no rush to get into Nike. Earning is out. It was not great. There's no guidance. If the market tank, if we have one of those ugly 1%, 2% down day next week for whatever reason, you think Nike is not gonna come down to 128? We buy Nike at 129, 128. No need to chase it here. Okay, no need to. No reason to be there. Home Depot. I buy. Okay? I buy. I like this. Home Depot. In fact, I'm gonna put in an order for Home Depot here. I'm not buying it right here. I will put in an order lower. Where? I will put it at low of day. Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna wait because the first 15 minutes is, foo stupid, right? We know. After the first 15 minutes, the whole market can turn deep red. Okay, so whatever is going on with the market right now, let's step back. Let's wait 15 minutes and see. Okay, no need. No need. Adobe bouncing, huh? Let's see. Adobe up. Yeah, we'll see. Today is the third day on Adobe, right? After the dump. So would I buy Adobe? Buy back what I sold at 460 and 465? Maybe. You know what the rule of the big guy? Let me repeat it. Okay, on a big gap down, 3 days rule, and then what? If it's over the high of the 3 days, so let's say the high of the 3-day dump is right here at 437.98, right? There you go. That level, if it breach, the big guy would go. That's how patient he is. He's just like, I don't care if it trade down here. Adobe can trade for days or weeks or whatever. He doesn't care. But the moment it break, he would get in. Okay? Let's save that. I'm not saying that I will do the same thing. Okay? I'm just saying that's his rule. I just want to reiterate his rule. Where would I buy? Lower. Anywhere between 420. For me, I don't mind nibble sideways here, but what would be the reason to buy Adobe? Not really. Not for me. Energy up a little bit. Bank is up. Morgan Stanley going sideways. That's fine. Bank America going sideways. Yeah, rates going higher. Oh, Medtronic. My put that I sold at 106 is gonna expire worthless. Okay, if it stay up here, which is fine. I did buy some share outright and I sold a put at 106, so that's fine. Let's take a look at win. Win is not winning right now. What would I do? Buy on red. MGM, same thing. Um, LH is up, which is fine. DGX is down. Where would I buy DGX? Like I said, down here, 138, 139, okay? The 20 MA. Let's take a look at PayPal. PayPal going sideways. That's fine. That's expected, right? We have seen this pattern already with Square, right? It break, it goes sideways, and then the 50 MA is going to come down enough where it's going to easy jump over, right? And then there might be a check back. On the check back to the 20 MA, would I add to PayPal? Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay, so that's one spot that I would buy, but no rush. All right, unless there's other questions, I think I'm good to go and get ready to focus on trading in the next few minutes. As always, I will open up I will log into the group chat, and you can always post your question in there, and then I will do the best I can to relay, to reply timely. Sometimes the big guy is very good at answering my question like in seconds, and sometimes he can be gone for hours. Okay, hey, he's a busy guy. I appreciate his help, but at the same time, I don't expect him to like give me the answer the second I reply. What was it that we discussed yesterday in a chat group? What stock was it? Let me look. There was a stock that David, was it David? Somebody asked me something about something. I already forgot the stock. Where is it? What was it? Here we go. It was Pinterest, right? That was a question that was asked. Pinterest. Looking good. Okay. Not buying. Not buying. But watch that. It's going sideways. Hey, if you want to buy here and build a position, I'm not going to say no. Okay. It's your money. But I just want to reiterate what the big guys say. The big guys say if it break the 50, yes. Look at this, okay? It's been hugging the 50 for 4 days. The 50 is drifting 10, 20 cents every day down, okay? Every day. It was the 50 was like 26.7 and then 26.47. Now the 50 is 26.3. It is so close. Every day it's dropping 15, 20 cents, okay? By next Tuesday, it's going to be right above. It will be at 26 by next Monday. Okay, it'll be right here where it is, and then we can, like I said, if you want to go in now and not miss out, you can. I'm just gonna stick to what the big guys say. Wow, booking 2280. Woo! Wowza, wowza. That means that Airbnb is up big. It's not. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. All right. Tesla down 4, Sharp down 13, Baba down 3.8, Garbage, Netflix down, NVCR down, USO down, which is fine because I bought put there. Microsoft down. Oh, Neo. Neo. No, no, not a fan of Neo whatsoever. But Affirm, big guy big guy say get ready to sell at the 50 MA. You better get ready, okay? Don't be greedy. Last, which one do we need to look at last? Disney. Um, the 20 MA, it's over the 20 MA, barely. It's a no touch. I don't see any reason to be in Disney, to be honest, right now, okay? Like I said, I sold my trading position at 151, yay me. And since then, pointless. Would I have bought Disney down here at 128? I would have. I missed it, okay? I had my order down here lower, and I didn't get it. But now, if I bought it down here, you think I would have hold it here? No, I would be out at the 139. Out. Yeah, Disney is no touch for me. Risk reward just not there. I think that should be it, right? Oh, HD dropping. Let's see. HD, Home Depot dropping. All right. Below the trend line. Could be danger. What would I do? Watch it closely. Watch the volume. Look like very light volume. Look like BS volume. Let me take a look. HD. Come on. Yeah, that's BS volume. All right, I would throw in a low ball order and see what happens. All right, people. Have a wonderful day. Trade safe. If you want to tune in at lunchtime to hear me talk about nonsense, it's Friday. It's nothing but nonsense. Then tune in. If not, I will see you Saturday with the weekend market recap. All right. So later, I feel like taking a nap right now, to be honest. Bye.